Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Lio Fotia from Promare. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the hair at the side, his face, and I'm gonna draw a curved line down, turn it straight down, and I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to the side, sharp turn back down, and sharp turn back up. Now for the middle part of his hair, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a curved line diagonally up, turn it back down, sharp turn back up, and sharp turn back down, and I'm gonna repeat the same process across the eye, and on the left side right there, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn up to that point. And for the hair on the left side, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line down, and I'm gonna stop at the same point as the other one, and I'm gonna copy the same shape at this side, turn it upwards to that point. Now for his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point downwards, semicircle turn at the cheek, towards the chin in the middle, and turn it back upwards to the right side right there. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape, and then a curved line at this corner for his ear, and a curved line at this corner for the right ear. Now for the hair at the back, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line at this corner, sharp turn back up, and another piece at the back, and we're gonna do the same thing on the left side here, and I'm gonna make a diagonal line upwards to the center above his head and turn it back down to the center, and another one similar shape on the right side right there, and turn it down to that point. So now for his face, I'm gonna take this point and draw her eyebrow straight across to the side right there, and below that we're gonna draw the eye with a curved line diagonally up, sideways, and turn it slightly downwards at the outer corner, and turn it diagonally down and inwards. And for the pupil, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this corner and a black circle in the middle. I'm gonna thicken the upper portion of the eye right there all the way to the side, and we're gonna copy the same shape of the eye on the left side here, and at the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna add some pointy lines out for her lashes. And for her nose, I'm gonna draw a line in the middle of the face right there, and for the mouth, a dot at the side, and a short line in the middle, and another dot at the side. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, and from the side of the hair, I'm gonna draw a line out, turn it down, and back out. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the center, and in the middle, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, turn it up, and back out. And on the left side, a similar shape right there. And for the collar on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, straight up, curved line, and straight up, and back out at the top point right there, and downwards. And along the collar, I'm gonna draw across some curved line. And at the side on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, wavy line across to the cheek. Now on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally down and outwards. We're gonna do the same thing on the left side as well, and I'm gonna make a turn down and out and down, and the same goes to the right side. And for the cloth in the middle of her jacket, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, wavy line across to the left, turn it down, semicircle turn back to the left, turn it outwards. I'm gonna make a turn back up to that point. I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point and another one at the side. Below that, I'm gonna draw another piece of cloth, and we're gonna draw a similar shape at this point. And at the side of his shoulder here, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape, and I'm gonna draw some lines across and vertically down as well. And above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line and another set of curved line at that point, and I'm gonna continue that curved line all the way down to the side of his suit, and a semicircle turn back up. I'm gonna trace the same shape at the side here, and I'm gonna do another set at the side as well right there. Now for her arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line down for the inner point and the outer point right there. And I'm gonna flare it out at the lower point right there, and back in and back out. Then I'm gonna make a turn in and a curved line across from the inner line right here and turn it up. And from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, flare it out, and flare it out in the inner line as well. I'm gonna draw a wavy line across and semicircle turn at the corner. And for the hand, a curved line down, turn it out and down, and semicircle turn back up, and curved line down for the outer point, semicircle turn down and sideways. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other finger and extend it all the way in and up. Across the knuckle, I'm gonna draw some wavy line right there, And then for the left side of the outfit, I'm going to draw a curved line from this point down, and we're going to do the same thing for the right side, and I'm going to draw a curved line for the upper belt right here, and downwards at the side with a line, another curved line at the lower point. And then for the buckle, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that point and another rectangular shape inside of it. And at the side, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape with a line down in between. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the belt at the lower point here. And it's going to be crisscrossing with another belt. So I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across to the right side right there, line down on both sides, and another curved line across at the lower point. And we're going to continue the line of the outfit all the way down to the hips and straight down from the hip right there. And for the left arm, we're going to do a similar shape of the arm. And in the middle of the legs, I'm going to draw a curved line across. And for the line of the legs, I'm going to draw a curved line down from the inner point and the outer point. And at this point, I'm going to draw across a curved line and a rectangular shape at this corner. And another curved line at the lower point across, a line at the side. Continue the line of the legs down. And from the side of the rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a curved line out on both the top and the lower point, and a diagonal line out from the top and the lower point as well, and a small rectangular shape inside of the buckle. We're going to copy the whole buckle and the strap shape at the lower point right here. And continue the line of the legs down, flare it out below the knee point, and for the knee pad, I'm going to draw across the line, diagonal to the side and back in and across at the bottom point, the same diagonal lines at the inner line right here, across a line in the middle, and circle at both corners at the lower point of the knee pad right there, and below the knee pad I'm gonna continue the line of the legs with a rectangular shape at this point and another one below that, and the same buckles shape at this point and another one below that, and continue the line of the legs all the way to the ankle, flare it out and back in and back down on both sides, and diagonal line from the side to the middle point right there. And then I'm going to draw across the strap of the shoe and another one at the lower point and a line down to the side. I'm going to trace the same shape inside of those straps right there. I'm gonna copy the whole leg on the left side as well. So I'm gonna add a few more details on her outfit, and I'm gonna add a curved line at this point and a few more below that, and then a rectangular shape, and on the left side I'm going to draw from the belt a curved line up all the way to the side of the shoulder, turn it sideways to the middle, and I'm going to trace the same line at the side, and a circular shape at this point, and another one on the right side. On the right arm I'm gonna add a line across at that point, and another one below that, and a line at the ending point right there. And then below the belt I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and a line down in the middle, and another one beside that. And I'm gonna add some folding line around this point right there, and at the side here I'm gonna draw another curved line and a curved line below that, and a line down on both ending points. And then at the left thigh a line at that point, and another line beside that, and line at the ending points. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.